Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a cool and fun little trick, how to do a mirror search on Google. It's a great way to surprise your friends or just have a little fun with Google. Let's get started. So here we are on google.com. This trick is super easy and takes just a few seconds. All we have to do is type Google Mirror Search into the Google search bar and press enter. You'll see a link that says elgooG, which is basically Google spelled backward. Click on that link, and voila! You'll see the entire Google interface in a mirrored form. As you can see, everything is reversed, just like looking in a mirror. You can even type in the search bar, and the text will appear backward. It's a fun trick to show off or just play around with. And that's it, a quick and fun way to use Google in a whole new way. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more cool tricks, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.